Yo, what's up guys, it's me again. This is the 5th car video I'm doing on this channel. The sun. So for the last mini car video I posted, it had 1,800 total views, and for a channel with only 118 subscribers, that's crazy. And for you Mercedes-Benz lovers out there, you definitely know the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon truck, not just the normal truck, the 6x6 wheel truck, and that's what we are making today. And it's gonna be pretty much interesting as always. So without further ado, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. In fact, hit every single button you see except the dislike button, and let's get right into it. This is pretty much the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed, and if so, drop a like to let me know, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button in his face. See you next time, buddy. Peace out.